Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am making Instant Pot Chili the easy way. I'm going to start with, I've got a pound of ground beef in my Instant Pot. I'm going to turn this on to saute, and I'm going to cook this up and get it all nice and brown. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of paprika, and I probably will add some more spices. Oh, I just broke my lid off my chili powder. Add a little bit of chili powder. Got some cumin. I'm just going to sprinkle some oregano around in there. And I'm going to let this get all nice and brown. Okay, I am going to add in 8 ounces of water. Going to put in a can of tomato sauce. And I've got 4 cans of 3-bean chili blend that I'm going to add to this. If it looks like I don't have enough sauce, I have another can of tomato sauce to add. I can add if I need to. Just gonna mix this all up. I do think I'm gonna need that extra can of tomato sauce. Still kind of thick, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Don't want to get the dreaded burn warning. We'll go with another 8 ounces of water. Add in more cumin, and I am not measuring this out. I'm just going to put in what I think. More paprika, more chili powder. A little more oregano. And my secret ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of sugar. Just gonna stir that in. Get my lid. And I'm going to set my bean and chili button to 15 minutes. When it is done, I will go ahead and quick release the pressure off of this, and it'll be ready to eat. All right, this looks really good. Gonna give it a little bit of a taste. Super hot. Ooh, super hot. I'm gonna have to blow on that, cool it off. Mmm. That is really good.
Thanks for watching. Happy eating!